This is the elevator here to Stone Mill Inn Hotel in St. Catharines, Ontario. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. It's a ThyseenKrupp. B. It works. Noisy door. Here B. I don't think it's supposed to be down here. Door closed does not work on this elevator. Here 3. Let's not go to the basement again. And up around. That looks pretty nice up there. Look at our cab view. What do you think of this elevator?
I like it.
Oh, well, the cab doesn't match the hotel, in my opinion, but
No, it doesn't.
capacity is 953 kilograms. Here's the buttons. To be honest, I just wish that this elevator was more presentable, especially the cab. But there it goes, and that's it.